So soothing on my skin.
Hola, Ruby.
Okay, your girl's back. Sorry it's been so long. This summer has been so hectic with just like work stuff, personal stuff, and now all of a sudden it's the end of August and I'm like, I gotta get back into this. Two Glow Recipe products I wanted to highlight today. The first one is the Glow Recipe strawberry pore like smoothing drops. If you have oily skin, try this. I love giving it to one of my younger sisters because she has that more oily skin texture and it makes her skin look blurred, literally. Product 2 from them was actually their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I think this is a total like splurge product. It kind of smells like something that I had when I was a kid, like a candy floss situation. I don't know. I love using it after I work out just to kind of refresh my skin because it gets so sweaty and gross. But if you're trying to find something new to end your summer with, pick up one of these from Glow Recipe. Hello, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I just wanted to hop on and tell you that Glow Recipe has like a new little bundle that they dropped. I swear they're always dropping new bundles. This one has 2 full-size products.